Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make split pea soup. First, gather your ingredients, starting with 1 pound of dried split peas. Rinse these peas thoroughly under cold running water to remove any debris. Next, place the rinsed peas into a large pot and cover them with about 6 cups of fresh water. Allow the peas to soak for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. This crucial step helps soften the peas, ensuring a quicker and more even cooking process later on. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our soup. Begin by finely chopping 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. These aromatic vegetables are essential for a rich taste. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery, then sauté them gently until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring the soup together. Drain the soaked split peas and add them directly to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Next, pour in 8 cups of your preferred broth, either vegetable or chicken, and add 1 bay leaf for extra depth of flavor. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently. Cook for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the peas are incredibly tender and the soup has thickened to your liking. Almost there. Once your soup has reached the desired consistency and the peas are perfectly tender, carefully remove and discard the bay leaf. Now is the time to taste and adjust the seasonings. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a delightful finish, garnish each serving with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of crispy croutons. This easy split pea soup is hearty and comforting. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.